Hey everybody, it's me Henry. Today we're gonna talk about the 7 things rich people never waste their money on. Let's get started. Wealthy people can buy anything and everything they want, right? Well, that might be true. It doesn't mean the rich are out there dropping dollar bills left and right. In fact, they can be quite frugal. These are some of the things they don't waste their money on. First, impulse buys. Sure, it might be enticing to snag a cashmere sweater in a store window or the newest car on the lot. But making a purchase on a whim is something you will never see a wealthy person do. If you buy things you do not need, billionaire investor Warren Buffett told Forbes, soon you will have to sell things you need. It doesn't mean millionaires don't buy lavish items. They just put thought into them and their bottom line before swiping their credit card. Number 2. Extreme inheritances. It's fantasy to think we can all leave a mountain of money to our children and grandchildren, so they don't have to budget as we did. But large inheritances are something rich people don't use their money for. Why? Well, Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg both say they want their children to find their way rather than relying on handouts. According to CNBC, instead, both billionaires are giving significant portion for their fortunes to charity to help those who need it most. Number 3. Multiple credit cards. It's understandable that a wealthy person might not want to walk around with a ton of cash in their pocket. But don't think for a second that their wallet is filled with a credit card from every bank. Tom Corley, author of the best-selling book Rich Habits: The Daily Habits of Successful People, told US News and World Report, only 8% of the rich people use more than one credit card. Meanwhile, 77% of the poor have multiple credit cards. With more cards, there are more fees to keep track of, more finance charges to accrue, and generally more opportunity to buy things you don't need. Number 4. Luxury brands. Millionaires can afford the latest fashions from the top designers, but that doesn't mean they are spending their hard-earned money on high-end apparel. In fact, the founder of IKEA, Ingvar Kamprad, told Newsweek that he doesn't wear anything that is not from the flea market to set a good example. And Bill Gates told Time that he still wears a $10 watch despite being able to afford a closet full of Rolexes. Number 5. An overpriced home. Although their home buying budget is considerably higher, rich people still look for deals, most value for their dollar, and not like they're getting ripped off. Yes, they might be spending millions, but they're going to try to bargain with the least price like anyone else. Some wealthy individuals even go so far as not to purchase an extravagant home at all. According to US News and World Report, Warren Buffett may be the 3rd richest man in the world, but he still lives in a home he bought in 1958 for $31,500. Number 6. Buying instead of renting. Some rich folks are going so far as to not even deal with the hassle of buying a home. Many are opting to rent, according to Extras Mansions and Millionaires host Michael Corbett. Renting is more popular than ever, even among the wealthy. While it once made sense for people who could afford it to buy the home and flip it after 2 years, and the market has improved moderately this year, we're hardly in a boom. Number 7. Pricey grooming. Everyone needs a trim once in a while, but some famous rich people don't think it warrants wiping out the wallet. John Caldwell, businessman and billionaire, cuts his own hair. According to Time and IKEA founder Ingvar Kamprad told Newsweek that he's had his hair cut when he is in developing countries as a way of giving back. That's all for the sharing today. If you like this video, please consider to smash the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you're not gonna miss out any videos just like this from this channel. And most importantly, leave a comments below. Let me know what you think. I would love to read and reply to your comments, and I hope to see you in the next video.